What is up? Welcome back to the channel, people. So it is brutal cold out here. No, I'm just kidding. It's not too bad. It's December. It's getting close to Christmas already, but it's a nice day outside. So I went to go run some scrap metal, and check engine light popped on the Dodge. So I think, what the heck? So I checked it out, and it is a crank sensor code. So lo and behold, after all the stuff that I replaced on that thing, didn't replace what wasn't broken at the time, and so yeah, crank sensor is going out on this thing apparently. So we were driving, what was it, like a couple days back we went to go Christmas tree, and it happened the first time, and so now that I'm gonna go scrap metal, I'm like, duh, I probably should fix this. So we're gonna fix this thing up, and yeah, thanks for joining us, and we're gonna get right to it. So easy peasy, shouldn't be too much work to replace this bad boy. So yeah, thanks for joining me. And we're back. Okay, I did not pick the greatest spot to do this, so we're gonna do the best we can. I kind of parked in a stupid spot. Not really thinking about doing this at the time, so. But yeah, we're gonna get down there and get after it. So hopefully you can see. Let's get this set up here. I need to repaint my rockers, holy crap. I need to buff all that crap off and kill that rust before it gets worse. Oh, I think this is wet too. Not as wet as the ground, but a little bit wet still. Nevertheless. Oh, look at that, my light's on already. Okay. It should be right there. Right freaking there. Ugh. I'll move you over there so you can see better what we're doing. Okie dokie. So we're just going right up yonder. That guy right there. Can't really see him, but that's what we're after. See if we can get to a good spot where you can see, and I can see. Everybody's happy. Okay. What are we looking at here? What's going on with this bad boy? Why have you failed us? Crank sensor? Ooh, do we got some wiring issues going on? Oh, ruh-roh, Raggy. They don't even need a freaking sensor. They just have some BS going on with the wiring. What a bitch. Oh, yeah. Oh, ruh-roh, Raggy. Well, 40 bucks saved at least, but that sucks. That's right against the connector. Fuck. Hey, I wonder if I got another one of these connectors. If you're seeing that, but damn, look at the freaking. See the bare wires on that? Yikes. So that would do it. Shit. Excuse me. Shoot. Well, I know about the wire, about the sensor. Just thinking, hey, it's probably the sensor. You know, it's unlikely it's the wiring. Oh man. And bite me. It is the wiring. Lovely. Okay, so let's see here. Shoot, man, that's right up against that. So that those are short together. Oh man, yeah, it's just going right off of there. Yep, quality. You know, high mileage truck. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna replace that because it's 40 bucks I don't really need to spend on that particular thing. So let's go try to hunt down another sensor and I'll come right back. Okay, we're back. Okay, so survey says we are gonna have to repair this. That's far.
It's a sucky spot to have to do this, but that's how the cookie crumbles. So we're gonna fix this the best we can here. As much as that sucks, it is what it is. Did not have another connector. Thought I did. Well, we've got to get back after it. So, let's zip this back a bit. See about fixing these for now. What do you mean patching them basically? There isn't much else we can do. With the time frame I have. Well, besides hopefully not break these off. Okay. Fragile. Damn, look at those suckers. Brittle. That's mostly where they've been exposed to like oil and heat. So they're not melted together back here, it doesn't look like it. Okay. That's wild. Yeah, that happens sometimes. Man, everything else looks good up further. Okay. Damn. I have to get some liquid electrical tape for those. It's looking bad. Okie dokie. Well, all right. But liquid electrical tape might work pretty well. I don't know if I have any right now though. That's a problem, so I guess what we're gonna do is just freaking regular electrical tape it for now. Get myself in a position here. Like I said, not ideal. Not even at all the way I'd like to repair this. I don't know, the connector, I would just clip this connector off and redo this entirely, but this one I'm going to have to order a connector, so in the interest of getting back out and after it, sooner than later we're going to try our best to repair these. It's like threading a needle, kind of. But the idea is hopefully I can get this to pull tight without damaging it. Yeah, so far so good. Yes, this is temporary. I have to order a repair kit for the whole connector. Return the sensor I have for now. But this will do for the moment. I think that's way more than I need, honestly. There. It's really hard to get this stuff good and tight around stuff like this. It's a weird, awkward spot. Okay. Outside guy first, because he's pretty gnarly. crap. That's way bad. Wow. Holy shit. This tape is just not sticking for shit now. Jesus, dude. Stick it on at all. It's just not gonna stick for shit. So we're gonna have to just do this to separate them and tape over this. If they were enough that I could cut this fucker off, this stupid thing off, I would do that and just not do this hideous mess of freaking electrical tape. But alas, this ugly mess is what we're left with. Ugly fucking mess. Really? Forget you, stupid thing. This just looks hideous. This shit's not sticking. Extra bullshit. Okie dokie. We are at least separated now. Okay. Wow, dude, really? This stuff is just not working. Well, this is really old electrical tape, I'm not sure. What would you say? Oh! Okay. What we're gonna do. This tape is pretty ridiculous. Should definitely withstand the heat, no problem. Keep this all solid. We'll keep it from any more exposure and further deterioration, at least for the moment. And again, we will come back with the connector kit and properly repair this at a later date. This is just winter triage. And voila. Cool. That should work for the time being. Protected better than it was. Let's see what's on there. Okay. So, let's see which way does it want to turn. That way, huh? Okie dokie. Okay. Cool. Well, should do it. Hopefully that'll do the trick and hold up. We'll find out. Ow! After I bash my head on the subframe. Okay. So we will. Whew. We'll circle back to that and really good freaking noise. We'll circle back to that and see how that repair goes. Wow, thanks for sticking in there. All right, so yeah, we're gonna clear the codes, retest it, and we'll wrap this thing up. All right, we're back. Okay, so at long last, we're finally prepared to clear the codes. Had to replace the dang radiator hose. Upper radiator hose sucked itself flat. I forgot about that, so I swapped that out real quick. And then it was due for an oil change, so I just did the oil change. So here we are, fast forward like an hour probably at least since the last part. We're gonna clear these codes and yeah, hopefully we'll be good to giggity go. Why is this not turning on? There we go. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we got. Auto Lincoln progress. Taking it sweet ass time. Crankshaft position. There's a fucking spider. Get out of here. Get out of here, spider. Crankshaft position sensor. Oh, it's stored now. Okay, cool. So yeah, and then that thermostat code. I don't know what that thing's deal is. I replaced thermostat. I guess it's not hot enough for that. I'll probably put a hotter thermostat in here. So no. Don't care about that. Okay, so hate to do it, but let's clear this stupid things. I really don't like that because it resets my intake or my monitors, but you know, I want to see if this fixes it, and I'm pretty positive it will. So we're going to start it back up. See what we got here. Oil moving through this thing. Sheesh. Okay. Cool. Yeah, should be good to go. I don't think it's gonna be cool. Yeah, we'll give her a send. I gotta run all the scrap metal and like all the freaking stuff in the back here to the Goodwill donations. So yeah, we'll give her a send and we'll report back to you. But I think we're good. Alrighty, people. Welcome back. Okay, so yep. Took it out for a long road test. Just drove all the way. As you can see, we are much less loaded with stuff. Just drove all the way down to Vancouver, dropped off scrap metal, went to the Goodwill, dropped off some of the Goodwill donation stuff, all the way back, cycled it. I mean, we probably cycled the key on and off like 4 different times at least, stopping for various points of the trip. So yeah, all good. The check engine light back on, runs solid, no nothing weird. So yeah, that's a win. I'm gonna call it for this one. So thanks for joining me. Appreciate you being here. Again, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. And yeah, thanks for joining me. I appreciate that. Take care.